We are sponsored by Dinwiddie Spur Cattle Works to design and implement an irrigation system on a 20-acre farm. The farm had many previous types of irrigation systems, one of which resulted in a 6-inch main line from the pump to the end of the field that was sold off. The 6-inch main line can still be used today. We performed a couple of trips to discover some other conditions that were unknown on the farm, such as what type of connection is at the end of the 6-inch main line towards the sold off section. We found out that it is connected by a 90-degree connector. We had also discovered 3-inch branches stemming from the main line that could be used. We had also previously researched different types of irrigation systems, such as K-lines, big guns, pivots, and solid set systems. After a hefty research period, we decided that using solid set sprinkler systems would be both efficient and easy on the wallet. We created a basic layout and determined how many sprinklers we wanted run at a time. Using this, we split the created layout into 9 sections, approximately 24 sprinklers, each sprinkler having a radius of 62.5 feet. We decided to run a small prototype section to ensure our design would work efficiently. We designed a 3D model of the prototype layout, then further redesigned the model, aided by a code we created to both determine the lengths at which the pipes needed to decrease to maintain a constant flow and be the most efficient. However, due to time constraints, we are forced to put construction of our prototype area on pause and focus on providing a detailed construction plan to the Natural Resource Conservation Service for funding. In the future, we will start construction on the prototype area, if not the complete system, after the Natural Resource Conservation Service reviews our plan. Further work will include creating a filtration system and implementing a soft start system, eventually moving towards automating the system.